Alright, this is a quick test of how thick each rinseless wash is. Absolute DIY Detail and ONR new formula. See, Absolute is really thick, really viscous. You can even hear it. Rinseless wash is really thin. ONR, I would say, significantly thicker than DIY Detail, but not as thick as Absolute. You can see Absolute just coats the bottle and there's almost no noise. First thing I noticed when I got my DIY Detail rinseless is it's almost like water. ONR is visibly coating the bottle more, and Absolute is just super thick. You can't see it because the bottle's not clear, but you can kind of see. So there's your comparison.